Today we finally installing these guys. So I've noticed on YouTube ain't no videos for them. The other lights that go right here up under the mirror. So I decided to go on and make a video how we did it, in case there's somebody else out there that wants to know how to do it. Here's the video. So in here we've got the harnesses my wife designed. It's a real clean design, real nice. You got your two legs right there. And y'all see why they look like this. But then you got your other two legs in there. So we'll get all this ready and set up, ready to drill the holes right there. And then we'll be back with y'all. Yeah, right. Start. And tighten it down. Just like that. All right, guys, so this brought all the hardware. They brought these bolts. They go through this bracket, and then those little rubber, whatever they are, I don't know what the right name for them is, but they swell up, so that's mounted on there pretty good.
On HD.
That one to go in. Forward a little more. You feel how heavy that shit is, bro?
It don't matter.
Okay.
Wifey's just going through here, boys, plugging them all up. Y'all see these nice harnesses she made. I just helped with them. She designed them. So the yellow is hot and the red is hot.
Stand up one.
It's all plug and play, boys. It's all plug and play.
Stand up.
We got the legend holding the camera. You know, we be doing big things, baby.
Yeah. We got a camera now.
We got a cameraman now. Shit.
Now I gotta do this.
The legend. Vaughn.
I'm telling you, if it won't be for this woman, we'll be lost in the world.
Lost,
nigga.
bro. Lost in the sauce.
That's the top one. There's a top under there. Oh, they're brown. You don't miss it.
Así son las mías, Warrior. Así mismito son las mías, cabrón.
Sí.
It's not this one.
Bueno.
Pero las mías son, like, ese
Right
gris.
here, let's go get one up there.
The charcoal gray. Boom, boom, boom. 63rd. Ya, yo boté los anillos.
Ya.
All
Yeah.
This is the box.
Oh, that's the same one.
Oh, you're missing more.
Hell yeah, I'm missing a lot.
Here's another one. Here's another one.
There you have it, guys.
Got 3 more to go.
Wife is just going around putting a little bit of tape on the little rubber grommets, because if you don't, you'll have a serious problem with these things popping out. But these things look better at night, guys, than what they do right now. Right now is just kind of a chunk of chrome with lights on it, but at night gives these trucks the real classic look. Eventually, we're gonna go all the way across the visor with lights, same way our bumper is. When the bolts go in here, guys, they swell up, so there's no coming out. And you won't see these because you got that beautiful chrome bar full of lights. All right, guys, so we got both harnesses here laid out. My wife used this cool little plug right here. We ordered these off Amazon. Yeah, we ordered these off Amazon. They're good for you Honda boys out there if you want to plug off those holes in your engine bay. But she had the really cool idea to use it as a plug for there, and that way it won't allow your wires to rub on the plastic and get raw. So I'll show y'all how that thing's gonna serve a purpose. Yo. ¿Qué tienes ahí? ¿Para qué tú quieres eso?
El bumper.
¿Tú no necesitas eso?
No, es que cuando me empujen,
Yo vi eso ahorita, yo me di cuenta, yo dije, Ave María, es verdad que este hombre... Ajá, el panel. Espérate, dame un break. Eso yo lo arreglo. Eso tiene arreglo, papi.
Sí.
Claro que sí. What's wrong with that?
Mira que no tiene la parte de arriba, no ve.
Oh.
Cabrón.
Damn, that's an abuse. Yo, who would do that to a Honda door panel, man? Damn, hell no.
It was tight.
Está bien, eso era snap on, no te preocupes. Just right. All right, guys, so there you have it. Got the little rubber grommet in there, protect the wires from rubbing. He's a genius.
Come out here and finish it up.
All right, boys, there you have it. On, mounted, see no wires. There you have it. All of them working. There you have it, boys. Joints look good. Wife did a hell of a job wiring them. She got me the new blue balls for the front. I'll come out here and show y'all what it looks like tonight. Alright, guys. I also put these new blue bulbs in the front here. They're just the parking lights. I changed them out for blue ones. Wifey ordered me some blue ones offline. There you have it, boys and girls. There's the new lights at night. And I'll get y'all a view of what it looks like from a car's point of view. But that's what my boy look like, guys. At night, he's pretty lit up. He didn't have none of these lights when we bought him. The reason there's a gap there, plastic gets real thin. I didn't want to weaken it, so I don't know. I like the design. If you don't like it, I don't care. It's my truck. It's a good thing about being an owner. Praise the Lord. He's made it possible. But that's the good thing about being an owner, guys. You do what you like. Doesn't matter what anybody else thinks. What it looks like, boys and girls, from the front. Looks like a classic. Shit is dope. Lit the fuck up. Lit the fuck up.